Welcome to Leco Academy. Now, in this video, we're going to solve a question under quadratic equations, and the statement says solve the equation. So this is our equation here, and this is half x raised to the power 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, how can we find the value of x? So to find the value of x here, we are going to make x the subject of the formula. So to make this x the subject of the formula, this negative 8 it will cross the equal sign. So here we have 1 over 2 x raised to the power 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. It's negative 8 it will cross the equal sign. So as it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive, since here it is negative. To eliminate this half here so that we remain with this x, we are going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal, it means the opposite fraction of this fraction that we have. And the opposite fraction of 1 over 2, it is 2 over 1, which is just the same as 2. So we are going to multiply both sides by 2, the reciprocal of this fraction here. So these 2 and this one, they'll cancel. We are going to remain with x here. 1 multiplied by x, this is x to the power 2. This is equal to, so 8 multiplied by 2, this is giving us 16. Now, to remain with x, we are going to square root both sides. So we are going to square root both sides so that we eliminate this power. Once we square root, we are going to introduce plus or minus. So this one and this, they'll cancel. Therefore, x is equal to, so here we have two signs, and the square root of 16. So the number that we can multiply twice to give us 16, that is 4. And that is the square root of 16. So the other one, it will carry a positive. The other one, it will carry a negative. So these are the values of x. So if you are not comfortable with this procedure again, you can proceed with this. So we have 1 over 2x to the power 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. So to eliminate this fraction here, we multiply both sides by 2. So 2 multiplied by half, this one it is going to give us 1. So 1 multiplied by this x, we are going to have x to the power 2. 2 multiplied by negative 8, this is negative 16, is equal to, so here it will give us a 0. 0 multiplied by 2, that is a 0. We then add both sides by 16 to get rid of this negative 16. So x to the power 2 minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 0 plus 16. So x squared, negative 16 plus 16, here this one it will give us a 0. So this is 16. To eliminate this power, we square root both sides and introduce plus or minus. So once we square root, we introduce plus or minus to have two solutions. X therefore is equal to the square root of 16, this is 4 or negative 4. So these are the values of x.